This video is brought to you by Noka. First, we have the Noka F1 dashcam. The F1 is a tiny but feature-packed dashcam that measures only 2.5 inches. It records clear day and night videos and can be accessed by Wi-Fi. Let's begin opening the dashcam. We first see the user manual, then we have the F1 mini dashcam. Next is a mini USB lighter power adapter, and finally the two mounting brackets. One is a suction cup mount and the other a smaller, less noticeable ball joint mount with 3M tape. Having a closer look at the dashcam, on the front we have the 1080p 150-degree camera and the speaker. On top there's the mount slot. On the left there's a mini USB power port. On the right a mini HDMI video out port. On the bottom we see the micro SD card slot up to 32 gigabytes, the microphone and the reset pinhole. And on the back there's a 1.5-inch IPS display and the buttons for power, menu, mode, up and Wi-Fi, OK, down and mute. First, decide if you want to mount using the suction mount or the 3M tape mount. If you decide to use a smaller tape mount, make sure you test it before setting it in place, as the tape will strongly hold it in place and will be difficult to relocate after installing. Insert the micro SD card into the camera, slide the camera into the mount, connect and route the power cable, and connect the lighter power adapter so that the camera starts recording when the ignition is turned on. The dash camera comes with a Novatec 96658 processor and Sony's IMX323 image sensor for clear day and night videos. It also uses a supercapacitor instead of lithium batteries to prevent any risk of battery failure, which also makes it better withstand extreme temperatures. Let's now have a look at the dashcam settings. In the settings, you can change the camera's recording resolution, set the loop recording between 2, 3 or 5 minutes, set the wide dynamic lighting option, turn the motion detection on or off, mute the microphone, use the date video stamp, set the G-sensor sensitivity, use the Wi-Fi feature which we'll discuss in a moment, set the date and time, set the auto power timeout, turn the beeping noise on or off, set the language, format the SD card, and reset to factory settings. You can also play back any recorded video. Now, in order to use the camera's Wi-Fi feature, you will need to install the RoadCam app from your app store. Turn Wi-Fi on the dashcam and open the app on your phone. There, you will see the camera listed as F1 Card DV. Click the camera icon to connect to it. Once inside the app, you will be able to see a live preview of the camera on your phone. Here, you can start or stop the recording, take pictures, go into the settings and change the dashcam's parameters wirelessly. You can also trim and share recording clips. And most importantly, you will be able to view the camera's recordings on your phone through the Wi-Fi connection without having to remove the SD card if you need to provide evidence.